There's nothing wrong with the Porsche 911 Turbo S unless, of course, you have a soft spot for the classic ducktail spoiler. We do, and apparently so do the folks at Techart. The latest offering from the German-based tuning company adds one to the Turbo S, and to sweeten the deal, you can get up to 790 horsepower too. Feast your eyes on the Techart GTstreet R Touring. As you can see, there's a bit more than a new rear wing happening here. Techart says its new body kit features over 40 different components, including customizable front and rear aprons. There are new carbon fenders, side skirts, air intakes, fender flares, and a hood, among other things. That's a lot of carbon, and it can be detailed with either a gloss or matte finish. But the pièce de résistance is that oh-so-sweet ducktail at the back. It's a classic look that, frankly, we'd like to see more of straight from Porsche. Techart swaps the standard Turbo S setup with this fixed spoiler, which the company says is balanced for downforce and good aerodynamics at higher speeds. It's also 60% lighter than what you get from the factory, and the design gets more air to the boosted flat-six engine to help it stay cool. That's important, because Techart also offers power upgrades on the GTstreet R Touring. 2 stages are available, with the first adding a modest 60 HP and 74 pound-feet of torque to the already potent engine. The second stage is more aggressive, swapping in new turbochargers and a tune that adjusts engine and gearbox parameters. There's also a custom exhaust system bolted up, all resulting in 790 HP and 700 lb-ft of torque. That's a 150 HP and 110 lb-ft increase from a stock Turbo S. Techart says the top speed is 217 mph. To manage the extra thrust, a sport suspension upgrade drops the car approximately 1 inch. Techart adjustable coilovers are optional, supported by Techart center lock wheels measuring 20 inches in front, 21 at the back. The company widens the front track by 1 inch, and carbon aero disc brakes are available. As for the interior, expect a plethora of leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, aluminum, and more. How much will an 880 HP 911 Turbo S with a ducktail spoiler cost you? Techart only mentions the cost for European buyers, starting at €98,205. That converts to approximately €107,000. But keep in mind, that's just the cost for conversion. You still need a $230,000 911 Turbo S, and plus the cost for any additional Techart options. With the price comes exclusivity though. The company only plans to build 25 examples.